Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. Today we're looking at something that every traveler, hiker, camper, or road tripper should have, and that's a proper first aid kit. The team at Adventure Medical Kits sent me their Mountain Series Hiker Medical Kit. It's designed for 2 people for 2 days. And I have to say, this thing is really well thought out. Let's have a closer look. Adventure Medical Kits has been around for years, creating specialized first aid kits for hikers, paddlers, and climbers, and they've even created a medical kit for your furry adventurer. Now, what I love is that they don't do one size fits all. Each kit is tailored for a specific kind of trip, whether it's a weekend in the mountains, a long backpacking trek, or even marine and hunting adventures. Now they've got a really interesting range. For example, there's the Ultralight Watertight series. That one's perfect for kayaking or bike packing. They've got the Mountain series, which is all about remote or high altitude trips where medical help isn't right around the corner. The Sportsman series is aimed at hunters and anglers, and there's even a travel-specific kit, great for international trips or road adventures. Now, if you're wondering why there are so many options, each kit is created with how many people are on the trip and how many days you plan to be away. So whatever your adventure looks like, there's literally a kit designed for it. All right, let's open up the kit that I got. This is the medical kit. It's the Mountain Series Hiker, 2 people, 2 days. So it's ideal for hiking, backpacking, climbing, biking, camping, and paddle sports. I've never opened this up, so I'm just having a look at this for the first time. Now, there is a little medical book in this kit that talks about the most common and serious injuries affecting backpackers and hikers, so that'll be helpful. There's a supply checklist with everything that's inside, but I want to see it. So let's crack this thing open and have a look. I just love how compact this is. This will fit perfectly in your backpack or even in your suitcase. So the first thing you see is wound care for burns and blisters. Now, I have to say, blisters are a big thing for me whenever we go somewhere. I don't know, I always wear the wrong shoes. Okay, so inside we've got some tape, we've got a conforming bandage, and a bigger one as well, a heavyweight conforming bandage. And there's also a pair of scissors in here. Wow, okay, those would come in handy. Sterile gauze dressing. I think there's a few of those in here. And there's the big book. Okay, big book. It's not a big book, but you know what? Oh, and some moleskin. That's for like blisters and things like that. They're pre-cut out, so they're just like a sticker, and then you put it on the back of your heel. You know, if you're out in the wilderness and you need to understand what's happening or how to take care of someone, this is going to be very helpful. All right, the bottom part of this flips open, and there's nice big labels here. And I gotta tell you, I need this. Cuts and scrapes, stop bleeding fast, and the other one says medication. Seriously, you do not ever want me in charge of first aid. Fight or flight sets in, and I am flight. So if I ever need to be the one in charge, I'm going to need everything clearly labeled. Non-aspirin in there. We've got different painkillers. This is actually like an antihistamine. Perfect if you get stung by a bee or a wasp. It's great to have that. All right, let's see what else is in here. There's some ibuprofen. Now there's 2 pills in each one of these. Sting relief pad, extra strong wipe, aspirin tablets. Somebody starts having chest pains or just another kind of pain reliever. More ibuprofen. Wow, this pack is so well thought out. You know, I do kind of create I call it my pharmacy when we go away, but I don't always need to bring like big bottles of things. So it's great to have everything in these little pouches. It gives you enough time if you're traveling to find a pharmacy or something like that where you can replace these things. But if you're backpacking, this is great. Remember what I said, for 2 people for 2 days. So we've got band-aids in here, and we've got these little steri strips, which are great if you were to need like stitches, but you can't get stitches right away. Those will hold a wound closed. And this is triple antibiotic ointment. There's a fair bit in here, so you can use it for those 2 days. There's a little extra space back here. I like the little pouches. Let's have a look at the Stop Bleeding Fast. All right, so there's a pair of gloves here. I actually always bring gloves with me whenever we go on holidays or go anywhere. I always have gloves somewhere. And then we've got this sterile trauma dressing. Okay, so I guess that's the thing that's gonna help you stop the bleeding. Now, what I really like about this kit is that it feels practical, not overdone. A lot of kits either miss the basics or throw in things that you'll never use, and this one seems to hit that sweet spot for short backpacking trips, camping weekends, or even keeping in your car for road trips. Now, you can tuck this little attached list inside so you always know what needs restocking. This is smart, it's organized, and it's ready to go. And if you've got a bigger trip planned, say multiple days or a family outing, they have those larger versions in the same Mountain Series line, which is really convenient. Now, you're never going to regret being prepared for an adventure, especially if things don't go as planned. Now, I could definitely have used the special dental kit that they have for our first trip to Turkey. I'll tell you, that was painful. So if you're planning an adventure anytime soon, definitely check out Adventure Medical Kits. I'll add a link below to their website for you to check out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more travel gear reviews and adventure ideas. I would love to hear which Adventure Medical Kit suits your lifestyle and where you're watching from. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. Here are some videos you might enjoy watching next.